Did you know that during World War II, Japan ran a secret facility that made Nazi experiments look tame? Unit 731 was disguised as a water treatment plant, but inside, thousands of prisoners faced unimaginable horrors. Dr. Shiro Ishii led a team of scientists who performed surgery on conscious victims without any pain relief. They infected healthy people with deadly diseases just to watch them die. They froze prisoners' limbs in ice water, then shattered the frozen flesh with hammers, all in the name of studying frostbite. Chemical weapons were tested on living humans. Pregnant women were dissected while still alive. When Japan surrendered, you'd think these monsters faced justice. They didn't. The American government made a deal. Give us your research data, and we'll give you immunity. Every single scientist walked free. No trials, no punishment. Japan denied Unit 731 existed for 50 years. The victims never got justice. The perpetrators lived normal lives. Sometimes the real monsters wear lab coats, not uniforms.